I am live too.
Whoa, crazy.
Whatever we went on.
Okay, shared chat. You must be live in Mrrp. Okay, there we go. So I had a couple things real quick. Let me open up my obsidian and I got some notes down. I think did I do something last night or did I just push shit up for you?
Probably did something. I don't know.
Let me see. Don't taste 9 windows. Oh, let me actually turn a light on in here really quickly. I'm like so unbelievably disgustingly low energy today.
Yeah, I'm a little tired as well, but
Okay, there we go. Now I have a little bit of light in my room. So there was a change to this, there was a change to this pattern. Okay, so those do not matter. Alright, so let me toss a few notes down for me, which is doesn't do anything or break. I don't know what that means. What does this mean, JW? This note?
do it. Oh,
sometimes when placing sticker on controller, it doesn't.
So when you
do anything
place this, you know the sticker that the button that you click on to open the sticker pack? Sometimes when you go to apply the sticker, the focus will switch to that. Like it'll have like the white outline thing, like the controller selection thing, but it doesn't do anything. It just like switches to that, and then you apply the sticker fine, and then you can continue. It just visually goes to that.
I see.
I don't know what exactly causes that. So that's not a big deal at all. Like if we can push up update without that, and it won't break.
What was the thing? Enemy indicator. Killing hive causes crash. You said it doesn't work for the goobers don't get indicators on them?
Nope, they don't.
That's a little surprising, to be
honest. I think it's
because
they get spawned at the beginning, like mid-level.
It shouldn't.
And they aren't allowed added to like the list of enemies? I don't know.
It shouldn't be, because I can like spawn an enemy here, and if I go over here, it should get an indicator, even though it's a new enemy.
Weird.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Where is Hive? Fire for Hive.
Imagine if they had good names.
Imagine. I'm imagining it. The game is now called Eugenics.
But like it still shows it, even though
they get indicator. Oh no, that's the dummy.
Yeah, and there's more than 2 enemies, which means that there shouldn't be an indicator.
I see. Yeah.
But like, I mean, I think it's fine, because
yeah,
like they are very obvious, and the important thing is the hive.
Wait, so how did you get this to crash?
I don't know, to be honest.
What did you do?
I thought it was just when I killed them when they still had the indicator, but maybe it's not it.
Let's see. Biddy, it broke again. This was done because of... Oh, this was not a goober hive thing. This was just a thing. I think. Okay, I see. What could have caused that to happen? Was it that I dies while it's on screen? Maybe? I don't know. I can fix it either way, though. It's not a huge deal. What was the error you got? Invalid access to property or key, fire goober hive on a base object of type node 2D, sprite 2D. I really wish that you had screenshotted just a little bit more of the screen. Specifically the part down here that says stack frames. Because I could have seen where this is being called from. Because that gets called in 2 different places. Because it gets called on enemy exiting.
It was on enemy exiting. I know it's on enemy exiting. Okay. I remember.
Because there's also this one.
Yes, I'm 100% certain it was the on enemy exiting.
On enemy exiting. Okay, so I think I know how to recreate this. Let me recreate it before anything, because I need to...
I'll show people the cool zappies that I made.
Zappies. Okay, yeah, got it. Cool.
Okay.
It's actually, see, you told me which function was causing the crash, and I immediately could identify why it was crashing. Like, instantly.
Let's go.
Alright, cool. There we go. I also need... No, this should be fine, I think. Yeah, that's fine. Fuck, I was gonna say something just now. Oh my god, what was it? What the hell was it, dude? I swear there was something about this. Oh, player. So you've been messing around with the game today, right? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Okay. How has it been running? How does it feel to just like run around and kill shit?
Fine, I literally didn't notice anything at all, so.
Okay, so I made a change to the player. Before you were using you were trying to use some acceleration curve thing, but it wasn't actually being used correctly.
Yeah.
And it also was not frame rate independent. So if I slowed the game down, it would accelerate in 2 frames, and it would be the exact same value. So what I did was I made it so that there's a time variable that says how quickly we want the player to accelerate. So if I'm in player scene, I can go to the player movement. There is now, I need to kill some of these variables, but there's acceleration time. If I were to change this to 1 second, you can see that if I hold the button, it takes a full second to accelerate and a full second to decelerate. Not that we want that, but this does mean that the amount of time is like controllable a little bit better, because before it really wasn't. Yeah. So you can go from like no speed to like up, and it takes like a minute. Not a minute, but it takes a little bit of time. I also did something that I don't know if I committed this. Maybe I did. I did. So I made the aim of the cursor affect the camera more.
Oh, okay.
Because it was weird sometimes if you were aiming like in a specific direction. Sometimes, like right here, the player's kind of the center of the screen, even though I'm aiming to the left. It should be like facing a little bit more to the left, but before he was like way over here. Because it was kind of more like this, which feels wrong. I made a super small change to the camera that basically doesn't even need to be brought up, but this dead zone calculation actually applies correctly now, because before it was doing some weird shit, but now the vertical dead zone works. But you can see here, if I run to the left while aiming if I run right aiming left, the player's basically like dead center. Whereas before it was like more like this, where he was kind of more on the right side. Which this could even be turned up more. I don't know if it should. But that is the thing. I think those are the only 2 things. So hello, Cybrin. Your show is on? Yeah.
My show is on.
We need a theme song. That's what we need.
Don't need a theme song, actually.
It's oh, this is what I'm gonna write down actually, speaking of theme song. Music doesn't loop.
Oh yeah, why doesn't it do that?
Because whenever we did the fix that made the lowercase a and uppercase a assets the same folder, it lost some of the input properties. Yeah, which is fine. That's something that we can easily fix, I think. We can either manually go in and do it again, or we can just look at the repository at like an older version and just copy the values over. So that's the thing that needs to be fixed. There's also, you had some shit that you were working on, which is your lightning thing. You want to show me that actually?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it up on my screen real quick.
Very cool.
All right, what is it?
I'm gonna get good at this.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, is like the sticker invisible or some shit? Is the sticker invisible? Where's the sticker?
It's not on here. Yeah, I already here. Where's the sticker?
Oh yeah, you've got the thing.
It's because it's
just
on all attacks. Yeah, so once it gets applied, it's any attack.
I see.
Which needs to be changed. But
yeah, it does a little bit.
it is pretty cool.
I wonder how useful it would be to have like a debug menu in the section that's like add sticker to current card.
That would be wonderful.
And then you can just click on it. I might do that actually. Let's do that real quick. I think that would be a cool thing to have. I should also say that the music and terrain doesn't loop properly, I think. Do we have...
Dude, this is the sticker, though.
Which one? Oh, is it like lightning in a bottle?
Yeah.
Oh, lightning jar. I see. Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
That's not art that I have on my site, is it?
No, I made it today.
Okay. Excuse me. So I guess it would be here. It's not exactly gonna have a keybind. That's great.
Yeah. So I can go through how it works. So we had the sticker, which is when it applies the upgrade, it just connects the damage dealt on the player to on hit, and then on hit it spawns the lightning like detector thing, which that is
Oh, this doesn't know about the card. Interesting.
the lightning card. Yeah. Oh, that is the scene. I'm stupid. But it's literally just an area, and then when it checks for hitboxes, and then just Q3s, and then it just has a random chance in here to hit.
I see.
Which that hit will also then trigger the effect again. So ideally, the things that we need are to only trigger on the card, and then maybe some way to also have this be its own source or something. Maybe have a source that it like passes down to the ones that it triggers again, so that way it can keep track of like how many like arcs it's had. If we want to have that.
Oh, I know what you're trying to say. I think. Yeah. Yeah, it would.
I mean, we totally could just keep it as a chance, but because we could just set this to be the card source as well. So the card attack itself has the card source, and then the zap attack itself also has the card source. Then it just looks for that.
I'll think about what can be done with that, because ideally it wouldn't be a chance-based thing. It would be like,
it
would choose an amount that it would strike up to.
Yeah, the other thing
like creation, and then it would create a list of those enemies.
Is a way to exclude the enemy that the attack is coming from, because right now I think it can hit itself with it. Because it's just looking for enemies in the area. So like it spawns this area, and then it can just see the enemy again. So we could probably just pass a reference, because there's a where it's being triggered.
Yeah,
it has the target. So we could just get the target, and if it is the target, then we can exclude that one.
Okay, so you're getting it off of the player. Okay, I see what's happening. So when the card is applied, or when the upgrade is applied, so this is actually an interesting one, because this also means that if you had multiple cards with the lightning sticker, it would proc multiple of them.
Yeah, we would want to figure out what it does if you have multiple of the same sticker as well.
Yeah. Oh, well, I meant more like if you had a different card and you applied the lightning in its current state where it's not checking.
Yeah. I know that's what you were saying, but I'm also saying that we need to figure out what it should do if there's multiple of it.
Probably just extra damage, or a higher chance, or a higher number of max targets.
Yeah, I would say that one, either more damage or higher arcs. Probably more arcs, because that's like more satisfying, you know?
Yeah. That's
I still like the random chance. I think maybe just have a cap on how many times it can, so there's no chance that it can like go insane.
Well, yeah. The random chance is more of like when it arcs, or whenever it says, okay, it's time to arc, rather than rolling another random chance and another random chance, we could just roll the amount of enemies that we could hit.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Either or. It's just like with the random chance, I don't know how effectively different they are.
Effectively different what are?
Like let's say that you have whenever you arc to an enemy. Well, hold on. Let me think about this. If we did have something like that, it would probably be a diminishing chance, where it's like you hit lightning, there's a 90% chance that it hits the next enemy, and then there's like a 80% chance, 60, and so on.
That's actually
so
smart.
that it,
yeah.
And then eventually, yeah. But
right now the chance is 10%, and if you set it to 20, it literally just crashes because it spawns too many. Because it gets to a point where like there's just so many attacks going off that even the 20% chance just kills everything.
Yeah. There's a few things that I would also like to change about. Excuse me. Since what it seems like you're doing is you're spawning an entire check on a place. Which is not particularly the greatest way to do it.
Yeah, well, now that I'm looking at
like
this, since it literally already has the place that it's hitting, it can easily just check that area. So in this is the area here, we can just say like if it hits, it spawns a new one or whatever here, rather than listening to the signal, which is what I was thinking of doing. But we could just spawn another one and say like arc count -=1.
Maybe. What is this plasma lightning spawn thing?
This is just the visual. This is exactly the same as the plasma ball lightning. It's just the visual of it. You just give it the starting position and the end position, and it spawns lightning.
Okay.
Which is very cool. And that's the system that I was thinking of that I made. That worked really well. Is the
Also, Cybern asks, does it trigger per projectile or per hit? I believe it's per hit.
It's per hit, yeah. So if you have piercing and it hits 3 things, then it would trigger 3 times.
Salmon Storm with this thing would be fucking crazy.
Wait, I didn't think about that. Hold up.
Good luck. Good luck. So the attack doesn't have the card. It doesn't know. Okay, so relic modifications, source.
Do you put it on bombs? You can slap the whole stage. Yes, probably. If you put it on anything, it's powerful, probably. Because right now it's not balanced at all. I actually don't know if you can even get it on the Salmon Storm, so I'll have to just like do this and then
Why did you equip it? Why did you equip the card?
Cause I guess you don't have to. You have to trigger. You have to do that to. Do you? Or do you not?
I don't think so. Because apply upgrade to card should be run.
Oh yeah.
It's applied.
Yeah, that is very good. The font on here is all messed up. I think I changed the font a little bit, or was messing with it.
On font where? I can't actually see what's
the like DPS quality is. It's like weird and funky.
Let me. You have is your scaling set to low or to medium?
I don't think.
If not, you should set your scaling to medium because you're streaming.
Oh, it is medium.
Okay, it is medium.
That's why it looks weird then. I thought I had it up high.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the screen share back because I am gonna add a couple of things. So I will put this on my list of things that I want to do today. So I guess I'll just make a quick note in the video stream folder that I definitely use all the time.
Oh, also another thing is I will want to reuse the system because I also want to have one that spawns bees, but that shouldn't be hard at all once it works.
You want one that spawns bees? What are you doing?
Yes.
Oh, like a on-hit bees?
Yeah, on-hit, like chance to spawn bees.
Yeah, fair enough.
Because I was just like, we already... What?
Or a sticker, sorry.
Yeah, because I'm like, we already have these things that work, so it's like... We can just...
Yeah.
Make them do more cool stuff.
Debug, add sticker, new... add sticker to card menu. And then I also, I don't know if there was anything else for debug, but
oh, nice, I broke it.
Attack system.
Is that
Probably.
Benny VV? Hello,
Benny
Twin.
VV? Is that Mordecai? Whoa! Whoa! And JW doesn't get this one. He never watched regular show. He also didn't watch SpongeBob as a kid.
That's not true.
This is true. As a kid, you didn't watch SpongeBob. You were homeschooled as well.
Depends on what you count.
You were also homeschooled.
Yeah. Fortunate.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on.
So the attack system, I would like to allow card to be tracked by attack. I also would potentially want to explore card signal ideas.
Yeah.
Like attacking / using. So I don't. Do cards have a card use signal actually? What signals do we have? We have equipped, unequipped, charges emptied, charges changed, sticker added, and cooldown changed, and activated. Activated is a thing, however, that's different than attacking.
Yeah.
I think a few of these could definitely be taken out of this class a little bit. Because they're a little annoying. Although they're not that bad. I don't know. We'll have to see. I also want to... there was something for it, like just like code util. What was it? I had an idea in my head that I wanted to put in somewhere. God, what was it?
Wait, I just thought of a really funny card idea or sticker idea. A sticker that like triggers the effect of like other stickers in your hand. So like a sticker that like if you have any like on hit stickers in your hand, it would like trigger those.
I see. Yeah. On hits are cool. I'm a big fan of on hits.
Yeah.
What if we added based on how many cards you have in your deck, there are these 3 bars that fill up based on the colors of the cards. And if you get enough of a specific type of, like, a category of card, you get, like, bonus, like, weapon damage for one of them.
I also have another fun card idea is a card that hurts you for 1 damage and then heals you for 1 damage. So it would just trigger any like on player hit effects for free.
Yeah, that's also an interesting one. Good. I kind of like that. The one thing that I would say that would be kind of fun with that is we plan on having shields, right, up here?
Yes.
That would take away a shield. And then getting the 1 HP back would put it in as a heart, which may be good, may be bad. I don't know. Was the first idea like a shape-shifting sticker that copies something else in your hand? What was that about?
What was that about? No, I didn't.
First idea. Shape-shifting sticker that copies something else in your hand. Oh, is this like a... Maybe not. I don't know.
I don't know where that
I might need a little bit more context for that, Benny BB. I don't know what you were asking.
But it could be cool, maybe. I don't know.
That does sound kind of cool. Like
wait,
blueprint.
So a sticker that copies random stickers from your hand, so any sticker that's applicable to your... That actually could be cool. So a sticker that randomly picks a sticker that could apply to your card in your hand.
A sticker that applies to a random sticker that can be applied to your hand?
So the sticker is like blank. It looks at all the other stickers that are currently in your hand and will turn itself into one of those that can be applied to the card.
I'm almost okay with I
don't really see how that's useful, but it is an interesting idea.
Having it be part of the hand is a little weird. What if it was just like a sticker that when you finish the floor, it shape-shifts into another sticker that could also be applied to that card?
Maybe. I was just
having it be
thinking
restricted based on what's in your hand is a little bizarre.
Yeah, I guess.
At least it feels like it could be unintuitive, and it kind of just feels like super random, which is like not a bad thing entirely, but
yeah, maybe on like each floor or each room it like changes or something.
Yeah. Honestly, having a card like that would be kind of cool too. Like a card that's just like it will change to something else every room or just every floor.
The pure gambling card that just always has random stickers and turns itself into a random card when you use it.
Which can include cards that will trigger immediately and deal damage to the player, mayhaps. I don't know.
I think that would be funny to just have a card that just literally will have a random effect and random stickers.
Alright, do I have... So this would go here. There we go. Alright, yeah, let me get on track with this. Let me add this and then... add sticker to...
Okay.
Add sticker to card and how many letters is that going to be compared to... Oh, God. I'll just have add sticker to card. And then you need to connect to a new function, which is going to be called... Oh, that's annoying. Add sticker to current card. Sure. Where did that go? Anyone know?
What if we had a sticker that when you miss it, if you use a hit and it doesn't hit anything, it spawns a salmon?
Whoa. What if we had a sticker that was like a really powerful ability that if you missed it, it refunded half of its cooldown, but if you hit it, it wiped the entire enemy team. Ah, shit. Wait,
that's kind of a good idea.
Fuck, Fuck, my bad. I accidentally, that's deadlock.
It's deadlock, yeah.
That's deadlock.
We can steal ideas from deadlock. What if we had a like a card that when you like hit somebody with it, it like bounces to the next closest enemy.
Oh shit.
And then like deals damage.
Hold on.
Is that
fishy
alt fishy?
Hold up, I've got to grab something for this. This is so relevant that I'm
I'm scared.
Sad I didn't have this prepared. What do you mean you're scared? What are you scared of? What the fuck are you scared of?
I'm so scared, chat.
Alright, let's hope that this isn't too loud. There we go. Fire. Hello, Fishy. All Fishy, how you doing? Rivulet, my beloved.
Beautiful.
He's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to first see... Do I have access to the deck? I do. I'm not going to trust that. Player data dot deck. Oh, then it's going to... Oh, whatever. I don't care. Deck dot equip card. Target card is going to be a card instance.
Happy Tuesday, I hyped your stream. Thank you, Average Good.
What does that mean?
You're the GOAT.
I don't even know what that means.
It's a YouTube thing.
That's cool. Oh.
It's like a thing that you can use on videos. You get like a certain number of them a week and it like will boost them or something.
I see.
You gotta save one for the trailer when we drop it in a day or two.
I'm gonna do this because I know that
I really should make some like longer videos.
Relatable. Let's see. I'm gonna do this thing, which is I'm gonna look for a card that is selected.
Wait, can I record and stream at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wouldn't recommend it for you, but you can.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Yeah, most people, well, not most people, professionals that care about stuff like this will actually record their stream while they're streaming so that they have the different audio tracks. And
that makes sense.
And some people also record like their webcam and their like gameplay separately, even if they're streaming.
Yeah, because I was thinking of like a trailer, then I remembered, oh yeah, I have like 15 overlays on my screen. I can't record a trailer, and I'm talking.
You can also, well, if you're in OBS, you can actually choose to only record a specific scene.
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, it's some crazy shit. We can talk more about it if you want later.
That's fine. I thought maybe I'd record the trailer, but now I'll wait.
Yeah. Does this thing have like a selected card or anything? Aw, man. It's actually kind of annoying. Should you know? Should the hand know which card is selected? I feel like the answer is no, not really. But maybe?
I'm adding a loot box relic.
What in the fucking world is focus card?
Wait, I'm gonna make it look like a Counter-Strike case. Wait, this is gonna be beautiful.
Oh, focus card is a function in here that doesn't actually do that. What in the fuck are you? Player data.deck.focus card. What? Card focus emit.
Are you working on different things? Yes, we are.
Same project, different parts of the project. Here, he's doing art. Check this art out. Your art's on screen.
Yeah, I'm definitely working right now. I'm definitely not texting my brother.
Already in the game. What the fuck? You have a brother?
Yeah, unfortunate.
Oh, weird. Yeah, he's the artist on the project, and I'm the bastard programmer that does bastard.
Yeah, you're kind of evil.
Things. This doesn't do what I want it to, which is okay. Mostly. That's okay. Alright, I'm not adding a quality of life feature, sorry.
What?
Where?
He hates me, it's over.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're going all the way back up to here. If not target card, turn. And what I want this to do now is I want to do sticker db dot get stickers for card, target card, stickers dot pick random, perhaps. Oh no, this is not what I want. Sorry, I want a button. I want a button that does things.
Mm-hmm. You want a button that does things.
I see. I'm being stupid. I'm being really dumb. I want a button. You see?
This guy wants a button. We're like really funny.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so ready. Visibility changed. I swear the most like demonic thing you can ever do is like swap between programming languages multiple times a day. Because I use Java.
I mean, you could also play League.
That's... Yeah, actually, you know what? Sorry, the second most evil thing you can do is swap between different programming languages in a day multiple times. Because using Java and then swapping to GD script is like kind of crazy.
That is kind of crazy, twin. Can't lie.
What is this thing doing? Why do you care about any of this? You know what? I will copy all of this.
That's smart.
I will copy all of this actually. Will paste it. And do some of this evil stuff.
Bitlytic doing evil stuff.
More likely to be
Work found in ocean.
Fork found an ocean, dude. That's the one. Add all buttons, not a thing. I'm not giving you a button to add all of the stickers you possibly can to a card.
Please do.
Maybe should actually. Fuck it.
Yeah, that'd be really funny. I want to see what that looks like.
My editor feels really weird today, and I don't know why. Maybe that feels more right. You need to be defined outside of this as part of the class. Chad, should I start using Vim instead of Godot, like the editor?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I should just start like using Vim to code. It's a text editor that uses you have to make a deal with the devil to be able to use it.
Okay.
But once you do, you're like as fast as someone who's been using other editors for a long time too. But you can say you're using Vim, good. Which is really cool.
Oh, I see. Okay, that sounds.
Now it's actually really sick. It is really sick. However, I don't really want to. I think is it called card sticker? Is that what I call it? Because I'm evil and fucked up. Sticker folder dot add child button. And instead of card, I want this to be what? I need to know about this shit I'm doing here for some reason. I don't know why I'm doing it there. You. And more signal for you. Fuck, you can be T for now. Who cares? See. Cards, debug. Okay, so there's this. I don't. Oh, this is. Oh, I'm like doing something really, really stupid, I think.
Many such cases.
Yeah. Many such cases. Many such cases. So for all, we get all the stickers from the DB. If there are no stickers, we return again. Otherwise, I now want to add all stickers. And for all of the stickers in this array of stickers, you use C#. Nice. I feel like I would like C# if I used it more, but I don't know. I'm just a huge fan of how GDScript feels to write and use that I kind of just stick with it until I run into something where I need to swap to C#, which hopefully won't happen, but we'll see.
I hate C#. Crazy.
That's
you literally just said that.
You're right. Caught me.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Actually, we won't have that. I need you to bind this to the add all button as well. Not bind card, target card specifically. And also need target card. Okay, so here's the cool, like, actual meat and potatoes of this fucking function with this file. What do I do here? How do I add stickers to something? I go take a look at slot machine ability, because we're already doing it there.
What I do.
Sticker, so we get that from there. We pick a random sticker. Okay. Yes, kind of. Wait, why does this... Why does that call apply sticker? Probably upgrade the card. I don't think it needs to do that, does it? There has to be a reason I added this. Or you added it, or one of us added it.
That probably wasn't me. Actually, it might have been me. I don't
know. Come on, give me the blame.
Get it, because
it lit it last week. Oh god, so many windows and 4.6 changes. Okay, that doesn't help anybody. What happened here? Why did this file get changed? You should have been changed. Oh, because it was changed to card and not card instance. Okay, show history.
You're good. Do you like my Counter-Strike case that I drew?
Slot machine and stuff. Could you add this back here? All I want is for VS Code to tell me what's going on here. Sorry, what'd you say?
Do you like my Counter-Strike case?
Oh shit, dude, I see it. That looks like a Counter-Strike case, kinda. It's fire?
Kinda fire.
Oh, cool. Git has crashed in VS Code, so
that's
whatever.
Very fire, too.
Okay, I'm gonna assume that this isn't needed then, and we're gonna comment this out until it runs into an issue.
We're gonna call it legally distinct loot box. I need to stop adding Counter-Strike references to Dante's Knife.
You do, yeah. Dude, there's so many amazing, like, references in Mugenics that I absolutely love. You don't know about the Junji Ito story about, like, the holes in the mountain, do you?
The what? No?
Okay, it's talking about. So here, I'll
do you have like a 30-second TikTok that explains it?
I will just show you.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It is called The Enigma of Amigara Fault. But effectively, okay, imagine, okay, here's the image without the thing. So there was like an earthquake that happened.
I don't see it, by the way, if you have it on your screen.
I know, I'm about to pull it up. So there was an earthquake that happened in Japan, and it caused like a fault to like open up. And on the fault that opened up, there was this side of the mountain where it was just like these holes that were revealed that were all like different shapes of humans, like all these different like humans and shit. And when people showed up, some people like felt super drawn to it because they realized that the hole was like perfectly fit for them, so they were like drawn to madness.
Yes.
And so they were forced to go into it. Like they just felt like they had to.
Mm-hmm.
And
because I've seen the one that turns it into the block.
Yeah, at the end of the story,
whatever.
At the end of the story, they like years later go back and check the other side. They find another side of it, and they come out like as these stretched, like freaky creatures. And in Mugenics, there was an event where it's your cat sees a hole in the wall that is like perfectly shaped for them, and all of the options are just go into the hole, and you can't do anything else. And then you do it, and your cat disappears. It just like it like kind of T-poses and then slides away. And then whenever you get to the boss level, the cat is just randomly there back in your party, but it has like mutations on all of its body parts that make it super stretched.
That's really funny. Does it change anything gameplay wise, or is it just like?
Yeah, well, because they're mutations. They do like they affect like the different attributes of the cat.
Okay.
It'll like fuck with their dexterity, their constitution, their
interesting.
Which is so sick. It's actually so cool because it's such like a random ass reference to make.
Yeah.
But it's like it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Because it doesn't, I don't know, stuff like that. It doesn't feel like it's like a, oh hey guys, look, we know about like pop culture. It's like, here's a thing that we think is like fucking sick. We're gonna make a gameplay feature out of it.
Yeah.
I love that. Mugenics is actually just such a good game.
Yeah.
I want to play it more.
Yeah.
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 Alright, so if I go in here, I don't have a card currently equipped. If I equip the AK, it crashes. Nice. Nice.
Very cool.
Nice. What in the fucking world are you? Wait, why am I? Oh, oops. Wrong place. You. Oh, you're so right, dude. I wish this told me errors instead of just like hiding the text from me a little bit. What is
Yeah.
Wait, why is this not? That duplicate returns a node. That's a button. That's a label. You should be safe lines of code. Oh shit, they are very white. That's unfortunate. So let's fix that. Button dot modulate. Is it modulate or self-modulate? Self-modulate. Equal to color util dot color card target word. That's not working. Why? Oh. Oh my god, I can't tell. There we go. There you go, JW. So this works, right? You're happy with this?
Mm-hmm. Can you put it on any card, even if it's not applicable, or is it?
No, it gets the ones that are specifically applicable
that's very
to this
cool.
card.
Is it the only the equipped card? What if it's like a card that's in your hand?
See, that's the thing that I was like, I'm gonna add this out of like, oh, this is cool, but then I thought about it and I was like, we don't really have a way to check what card is highlighted down here.
Yeah.
And like I could add that. I might. Yeah, I'll consider it. I can do add all stickers, and it's fun because it adds
very fun.
All the stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, like how boring that looks. All it is just like makes them big and they bounce, and that's like it. They need like zappies and bees and salmon
and storm.
Yeah.
Why are they so fucking slow, actually?
Because I think the bounce slows down.
Does it?
Does it?
I don't know. I didn't think
it's slowing them down, to be honest. Yeah.
Now it is. Oopsies.
It should not do that. There we go. That's beautiful.
Wow. Absolutely tremendous. So yeah, it's like for example, if I had yarn ball or whatever, if I equipped it, this should have all of the ones that can be added to it. If I click the button, then it adds all of them. Yeah, look at that go. Wow. Terrific. Cool, and it goes off the screen. Oopsies. Stickers, 62 out of 3. Yeah, that's correct. What card? How can I do that? Fuck it. GD.
Yeah, I love making content because like half the time it's so easy. It's like here I want to add making a loot box relic that makes it when you enter a room it draws a random temporary card, like completely random.
Yeah.
And I think that's it. This is gonna take like 5 lines of code probably. Once I figure out where the relics folder is.
The hardest part of it is navigating the folder structure.
The hardest part is me being bad at using the UI.
I don't know why there's this. Oh no, these might be the ones that were slowed down.
Yeah.
Actually, I think yeah. They're the original slowdowns. Let's see. Facebook selector, you have like a ratio on you or something, don't you? Selected ratio is this. You don't have like a setter on you? No? Alright, congratulations. You are now the proud owner of a setter. Selection index. Oh, I'm stupid.
Making mutagenics except it's filled with brain rot. Yeah, we're gonna have lots of like.
Yeah, we call that mutagenics.
Yeah, we call that
That's mutagenics.
6, 7.
6, 7. Yeah, we already have a 6, 7 in the game. We have a 6, 7 reference.
Do we really?
JW.
Where?
Yeah.
I forgot.
The tutorial.
Yeah, the tutorial.
For anyone who's curious, if you play the tutorial, you will be on seed 6, 7.
Yep.
Because he's a terrible person.
No, it's actually for a reason. It's because that is what lets the chest. It makes it so it drops a sticker pack for you to use in the next room.
Which one?
In this one. Yeah, no, the next one. No, the next one after that. Wait, why is the door color wrong?
It's because I was in the rainy level.
Okay. Oh, I see. I love how I noticed that, but I didn't notice that it's raining.
Yeah, the rain.
Yeah.
This drops a what?
That drops a sticker
Oh,
pack.
wow.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. What's the cards in these? You know?
Box, pumpkin, and yarn ball. No.
Wow. You got 1 of 3, or 2 of 1 of 3-ish. You saw yarn ball come up, so I'm not.
No, I didn't. No. I said that before.
No, you didn't. Okay, no, I believe you did.
I did. It was delayed. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, dog. You said you did. So you did see it.
I mean, no, I didn't. Is what I meant. I don't know how English works. wait, I want room entered, not room exited. Third.
Sorry. Kind of. That's a little code space on my screen right now. It's in selection index and selection is a card instance. Hooray! And then now I will go to debug menu, not debug menu, card sticker debug.
Hello? Why did my Spotify just play the same song twice in a row?
I don't know, man.
Oh, why are there two different versions of this song in my playlist? Or wait, no, maybe they're different. I don't know.
What song?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's not one of the ones I added.
Oh, so you don't care about it?
Yeah, I don't care about it.
I see.
Exactly.
I'm glad this gracefully fails if there's no card. However, it should be grabbing that card. It should be selected, brother. Helly.
What the helly? What the helliante?
What the helly?
What the helly berry? What the helly Bron James?
There's an equipped card. That's our target card. Otherwise, if deck.hand selection, which should be a thing that I'm setting, right? Right? Is that only? It's only if you move between them, I think. And now it should work. Yeah. Okay. So that's the thing I still need to fix, which is if I scroll, it doesn't play the sound, and I don't know why. I'll be honest. On card peaked.
1, 2, 3.
Where are you being called from, and why are you different? Fuck it. We're gonna play card sound. There we go, that works. Cool, yay! Alright, does this do what I want it to? So if I was gonna say I want to add stickers to Salmon Storm, I can now see all of the stickers I can add to Salmon Storm and add all of them at once. So that I now have huge salmon.
Beautiful. Oh wait, I'm thinking this could be evil, but I kind of want to multiply the number of stickers by level as well.
You want to what?
So currently, so for this relic, for every level you have of the relic, so how many ever many you have, it draws an extra card, but I could also have it that it adds an extra sticker to each card for every level.
Oh Jesus! What the
Which
fuck?
could be fun.
You.
And actually, you'd want it to be level
That's a
plus
lot.
1 because it starts at 2 by default.
It starts at 2 by default.
Yeah, 2 stickers. I mean, I guess we could have started at 1 sticker.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
How many fish get eaten in this game? Currently none, unfortunately. But
Is that true?
we should add fish being eaten.
Is that true?
Yeah, you don't eat fish.
Well, we don't know what
With
kind of
cat
cat food this is.
It
We don't
could
know
be
what kind of
fish
cat food this
food,
is.
that's true.
It could be salmon.
Yeah, we do need more like cat things in the game. Right now, it's kind of just random stuff.
Wow, look at those salmon.
Look at this.
They sure are storming.
Let's see, this should theoretically work. Oh wait, wait, I actually have to set the script in the relic for it to like actually do anything. Silly me.
This is true.
I'm so silly, guys.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
I'm the
What if I add
silliest
like a
guy.
fuck ton of Jupiter to the sticker? Ooh, look at that. Wow.
Wow.
That's quite cool.
That's quite cool.
Large salmon.
Look
I
at
like the
that.
one that's doing that. That's really cool.
Mhm.
Big fan of that one.
Yeah.
I can't tell if that's 2 salmon or 1. Might be 3 even. I don't know.
Yeah. I just know someone's gonna somehow find a way to do that in the game. It's gonna be really funny.
That's okay. People have already found infinites in eugenics.
Oh, have they?
And it goes fucking crazy, by the way. Some of the infinites in eugenics
I'm like
are
really happy that I
funny.
haven't seen that much content on it because that means that I get to see all the cool stuff myself.
Yeah. Well, don't worry. You could still see content on it.
Yeah,
you
there's
will not
still
see all
yeah,
of the
you
cool stuff.
I know.
I watched
I'm gonna say there was like
I watched
1,000 some item or like
I won't show you
abilities.
this, but or I won't show you the full video. I do want to show you that this video exists because I was watching it earlier. Do you know the name of the creator of eugenics?
Egg McMuffin.
Correct. So he actually streamed eugenics
Oh.
and then put together a supercut of the shit for the fucking game. And
That's
it
really crazy.
There's
that
some
must
very
be
funny
insane.
stuff in here. There's some
I was
very
watching a
funny
Northern
stuff in
Line
there.
Bits and Banter, and I forget who it was. I think it was Dan. Apparently, Egg McMuffin.
Oh, he got
called
backseated, right?
Yeah,
By
he got
Ed.
backseat.
Yes,
He called him
he
with,
called
like,
his
a
fucking
equipment
phone and he
item.
said, "Put your fucking something on the fighter or some shit." No, that's so
The
fucking
funniest
funny.
thing ever.
I love that. It's so funny. But one of the things, it's funny watching him play his game because it makes me feel like more like a game developer. Because I see you play the Dante's 9 and you like die and shit. I'm like, holy shit. You know, it happens to every game developer. He had a cat that had backflip or like backspring or whatever, where it would like shoot off of the enemy that it's hitting, and it would fly backwards after hitting it. And he had a fighter that when it was attacked, it would hit back. And he just kept fucking up, and he didn't notice where his fighter was, and so he would always use that, and then fly into his fighter, and his fighter would hit his rogue.
That's really
he also had a cleric and a fighter, and the fighter got madness. Do you know what madness does?
No.
Madness means you can't take the turn. It takes the turn for you, and it fights whatever it wants to fight. It's like anything can be an enemy to the cat, and it's just like it takes a turn for itself.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen that one. Yeah.
And it ran up to the cleric and it punched the cleric, and then the cleric had counterattack, but because the cat was an ally, it counterattacked, but it was just healing it. So the fighter punched the cleric, and then the cleric healed the fighter. And then it used like refresh on its attack, punched the cleric again, the cleric healed the fighter again, and it was just like
really
an abusive
funny
relationship between his cats on his run.
That's so funny.
Which is, yeah, it's so fucking good.
Why is this not working?
It's such a good game. I want to play Mugenics right now, but I'm not going to. I can't.
Yeah, it can work a little
What's
bit
not
more.
working? What's on?
It's not drawing cards. Let me go into another. Oh, there they were. Why weren't they there before? Oh, was it because I don't have any? I don't have any. Let me see. Was it because I don't have any cards in my? Yeah.
May...
Oh, it's because it triggers on the when I enter the room, and then when I actually start the room, it clears them. So if I go in here,
I thought that was.
it draws them.
Wait.
And then I go
room.
here.
Room started.
Room started is
signal?
what I want. Okay.
Is room started a signal?
I don't know.
You should check. Like right
That's
now.
probably what I want then.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's room entered,
hope so.
I have room started. Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
That's
There
the
we
one.
go. So I was like, It's like, I'm pretty sure we have a thing for that. Why do we even have room entered, actually? I wonder.
I mean, that's probably
for the minimap,
something,
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, the minimap uses
It's definitely,
room
there's gotta be something.
Yeah,
so let's see.
Because the minimap needs to know when you get into a room, not whenever you start it, because it needs to update that you're currently in that room.
Probably won't have. Oh. Nice. Didn't do anything.
Hey, what are you doing? Can you go back to the code that you just had?
It's not used.
Oh, is that not used?
Yeah.
Lull. Lull.
It's just not.
That's funny.
Nice. I mean, there's probably some place in here where it would just go and it would just work. Maybe.
It would be in.
Oh yeah, it could be getting called from somewhere else. Now that I think about it.
On door. Where is what? What is this? Oh, this is room exit. Room base.gd. What you got going on here? Sure. Wait, room started isn't being called anywhere? No, it is.
Yeah, but that's its own signal. That's not level manager got room started.
Oh, yes, yeah. Wait. No.
I think.
Yes?
Let's look for level
it is
manager.
being called. It is being called.
I don't think so. Here we go. No? Yes?
What level where are you at?
Level
like, can you show me your room tree? Are you just in like the regular ass rooms?
Yeah, I'm in. Where'd it go? There we go. Room 4.
How are you connecting? Can you show me how you're connecting this signal?
There. Oh, does this? No, this doesn't have any parameters.
Wait, hold on. Can you put a print in the ready function to make sure that that's actually like connecting the thing? Also, can you put a print in the add random card function and just print out the level? I doubt it ever is 0. It should be 1, but I'm just curious.
I love when the menu cards just randomly spin for no reason. It's really funny.
It's pretty cool, yeah.
So that does run. I see.
Okay, so it's...
So I think it's running before it clears your hand.
I see. Are you wait. Where's room started being emitted? It shouldn't be emitted until after the deck is... Oh, I see. Lull. Yeah. I see what's happening. You could probably just move the signal call down a few lines.
Oh, okay. I was just gonna wait at physics for him.
What? No, don't do that.
Okay, where is it being called?
Room-based.gd, line 206.
Okay, sure. 206.
Control G will do line search now.
206, I don't care. R.
Okay.
Yep.
You can just move that below the deck code right there.
Okay. Probably gonna break.
Can you get rid of that line on 206? Thank you. Sorry. Not sorry, though.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, Alright, sticker debug menu is done.
But see, it took like less
Allowed
than an
card
hour to make one relic. Look at that. Only like 50 more to go.
So, attack.gd. What I want this to do is... Do I want this to have a direct reference to the card? My answer is maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, we had 6 or 7 loot boxes. There we go, look at that. These cards are so unreadable because there's 7 stickers on each of them.
I like how that's one of the designs that we had, which was, that's actually so funny. For so long, whenever we were like, oh, do we care about people covering up parts of the card with stickers? We're like, no, if they choose to put stickers on that spot, it's their own damn fault. And then it's like, hey, what if we just like added a card with random amounts of stickers on it with random positions?
Is this fixed? I hate this.
Yeah, it's fixed. It's not pushed up, but you can just, I'll just give you the code for it. What file is it? It's... What's the name of the file? Where are you at? Indicator testing, I see.
My pistol had like 3 of the coffees on it, so it had like 45 degrees of inaccuracy.
So you can just change the sprite map brackets enemy to .get enemy as
sprite map get enemy get
no .get and then enemy
get enemy.
Probably. Yeah, as sprite 2D.
Okay.
And then if not sprite, return. Oh no. He wrote the word not. Whatever, it's fine. The game is Stinky Poo Poo on Steam Deck, is it? Is there something... was there a mention about Steam Deck recently, JW? Is there something about it?
No, I haven't heard anything specific. That doesn't work. Look how inaccurate my gun is.
Unaccurate, he said. He just said unaccurate. How's it Stinky Poo Poo on Steam Deck, if you don't mind me asking? Like, what is it? Actually, I don't know how to say, if you don't mind me asking. You called the game Stinky Poo Poo on Steam Deck. How's it Stinky Poo Poo? I was thinking it was like Stinky Doo Doo, but Stinky Poo Poo's got me a little worried.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be, hopefully. Game can't really decide if... Oh, yeah, so we actually added an option for that. If you go into System, Control Mode Override, you can change it to the keyboard or controller, and it will lock the glyphs to one or the other. So
we should see if there's some way to detect if you're on Steam Deck and just have like a pop-up that's like, hey, you're on Steam Deck, do you want to lock your controls?
Yeah. Like I'm using my controller right now and it's forcing me to use, like it's not it's like not doing any of that shit. But if I swap this to controller mode, now I'm on controller. Ah, the cursor's fucked up because...
Wait, that's really funny. I got a slot machine as my temporary card.
Oh, you pick controller, you still have to pick power-up cards with the mouse inputs. Oopsies. Okay, yeah, I'll take another look at that. It definitely needs to be playtested on Steam Deck more. So
yes, that's because
you're hella...
that's because we haven't pushed up the update yet that fixes that. Remember?
What?
Picking
the cards
pick on mouse. Yes, that's
controller.
a bug. There's a bug.
Yeah.
That sometimes it
okay,
doesn't
sorry,
work.
I forgot about that.
Yes.
I thought that was maybe a Steam Deck specific thing. No,
that's just a controller issue.
Yeah, that part has been fixed. But no, you are right. I will do more Steam Deck testing.
Yeah.
I do have a Steam Deck. I just haven't.
Overall, the controller and hopefully Steam Deck stuff should be like 10 times better once we push the update that will be pushed tonight, because Biddy is a great programmer who loves updating it on Steam.
Yeah, because Biddy's a great programmer who likes doing this. Yes, Biddy enjoys programming. Yeah.
See, this is more fun because it adds like gambling, and then there's gambling on top of it, where it's like, I don't know what card this is. Let's play it. No, it's good.
Oh, that's a spray bottle. What the hell? That looks sick. I actually haven't used that card at all.
That's insane. I've asked like multiple times if you've used it, and you're like, nah, and you never do.
Yeah. The answer hasn't changed.
Do you like my big stone?
That's cool. I'll say, hold on. Something's off about this.
This guy just hates me, I guess.
Now I'm also noticing something about the card selector. I think the hand display.
Wait. Just picked up a... Oh, I'm stupid. It's another loot box. I was like, I picked up an item and it didn't show up in my inventory. It's because I already have 7 of them.
That's very funny. On selection ended, I need the time manager to clear the time schedule. Can I remove time scale from self? Yeah, there we go. What's the spray bottle? I'm assuming it's called ability. It's not. It's just a scene called spray bottle.
Consistent naming? What's that?
One. Okay, so it's just scaling it up. Is this an ease out? I see. I see. Yeah, it feels like it's a little weird having it be like having the modulate like go after the thing stops. I don't like it stopping.
Okay.
I really don't like that. So I just move this back, and this feels.
This is what my cat does when I'm not home. Yeah, it's pretty much the story of the game.
Sorry, I wanted to see what my thing on my soundboard sounded like.
I kind of get what you're saying, but also I like it because you can see like the exact range of it, but I get what you're saying.
If we're gonna do that, I'm okay with it. I just think that it should maybe ease a little bit more out, like after it's done.
Okay.
Like
that's
maybe
fine.
not like that, but I think what if I set this to 4 and then set this to cubic? Will this do some weird shit? Answer is yes, it does. I don't like that.
Hello, Riseback or Reesback or however you pronounce your name again. I don't remember.
Oh damn, bro.
But welcome into it.
Really out here forgetting.
Yeah, I don't remember like what I was working on in my own game, so.
It's true. Yeah,
Riseback, okay. Is it? It's like, yeah. Hey, I got it right the first time, and then I forgot.
Allowed card interact by attack. So if I did this, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't.
Or Riseback.
It's probably fine.
Whatever you want.
Probably fine.
You are now. What should be their new name? I said I can call them whatever I want. Egg McMuffin. Okay.
Yeah. Egg McMuffin. Oh, that's gonna be so fucking annoying though, dude. Shit. So I'm thinking about this now. Like, let's say like sword ability. What you got going on? What are you doing? You create an attack. What do we do with this attack? We do attack. Sure. Source is source. Attack position. That's great. It would be so fucking nice and so fucking cool if this just already knew about the card, but it doesn't, which means I'm gonna have to go through it. I have to say this is now card instance, which is not self, card instance. Is that annoying? Is there a way that I can get around this? Is there a way that I can do cool things? Probably not. Maybe. There could be like a function in attack, which is like...
You got a raid, by the way.
Have a static function.
Win.
Dude,
Alert,
that's Foxen.
stream alert.
My God.
Stream alert. I am Biddy stream alerts because he doesn't read chat or have alerts on his stream.
Shout out. Foxen. Just Foxen. Just Foxen once.
Just Foxen once.
Where are you known as Foxen? Why do I know you as Foxen?
Foxen.
Is that like your YouTube?
I don't know.
That is your YouTube. Your YouTube is Foxen.
A music production
Good luck, Devin. Good luck,
producer.
Devin. I think
I want
you
to sell tracks or beats, but I don't know how. Cheap viewers.
Dude, they saw the raid and they were like immediately, it's time to advertise. Your Twitter, maybe other stuff. Okay, yeah. It looks like it was your YouTube is probably where I know it from.
Yeah, I don't know.
Were you Devin? No, hold on.
Okay.
Oh my God, what were you playing? You were doing Robocraft, I think, right? I think I saw you streaming Robocraft a little bit. You bring me cheap viewers and you ban them? Dude,
that's insane.
Listen, the last few days, the motherfuckers have been coming in here. They don't even say cheap viewers anymore. They just say viewers. They just offer viewers. It's not even cheap anymore.
It's insane.
So like, I don't know. Cheap viewers is kind of a step down from what I could be getting offered. I'm just saying. You gotta up your ante a little bit.
But yeah, in terms of selling music, like tracks or beats, I have no clue.
What?
In my chat.
What happened? Oh, okay.
Bro,
I looked over and I was like,
bro never pulls up my chat.
RoboQuest, not RoboCraft. I'm stupid.
RoboQuest. Oh, that's the like FPS one. Yeah, that one's fun.
Is it? Okay. I don't know why I thought I didn't know that was a game. I'm gonna look it up. I read it as RoboCraft, like the fucking game where you make shit. You make like little robot out of blocks in.
Yeah, you
I think that released in like 2013 or some shit.
Yeah, you would.
RoboQuest.
You're so old. Holy unk.
Okay, dude.
Unk alert. Unk alert.
Dude, shouldn't you be like in bed already?
Yeah, I have to work tomorrow morning.
Oh, I really like. I'm looking at this. I don't know why my computer's running like shit. I know why my computer's running like shit. No, wait, you're maxed out. What? Whatever.
To make Digicore, have you listened to her to this subgenre of music? I have not. That sounds cool.
I really like the little text that comes over the fucking the guns, by the way. I think
yeah, those are really cool.
Oh my God, we need a gun or something that whenever you hit an enemy, it does like a little comic book style like blam or pow or whatever over the enemy.
Okay, you can do that.
I don't know if you're gonna like that, but that's cool. I like those little things. Also, you're making a little game with Elsa and Salad. What style of game are you guys going with? I imagine it's probably not gonna be a 3D platformer. Because I couldn't imagine that you'd want to do a little game that is the same genre as the big game. I mean, maybe, but I know I fucking wouldn't. 3D incremental game? Okay, that's fucking sick.
Indie devs try not to make an incremental game challenge. Literally impossible.
Okay,
I'm joking.
We're chasing a trend from like 8 years ago right now.
No, I'm saying like that's fine. Like if I was making a game.
What games are there? I can't even imagine.
There's like a million.
Okay, go on. Name one. Name one. There's a million.
Dante's 9.
Nope.
There's like a bunch of them. Most of them are like pretty small.
Cookie Clicker. Oh, okay.
Yeah. This guy's never heard of an incremental game before. But Riseback, if you do want to share your music, I do have a Discord server if you want to join, and I will gladly check it out. I have not heard.
Yeah, if you want to share your music, you can join my Discord server as well, and that'd be like really cool.
I do think there are at least at least one or two other people that sometimes will write music there. They're pretty cool.
I can't think of who it is right now.
I forget his name.
There are people who do that. It's not Jeff, is it? Does Jeff
Not
do it?
Jeff, no. He just sent some stuff in here. Let me look.
Okay.
Who was it?
Good luck, Foxen.
It is Rhythm Game
Very
Addict.
funny time for Moaz to show up.
He sends a lot of music. Hello, Moaz Cheeseburger. How are you doing today, twin?
Oh, that's
Hop
crazy.
on Deadlock.
You said
Deadlock,
hello
twin.
back. Moaz just said hi, Twinks, and you assumed that was talking to you. That's kind of evil.
It's plural, so.
You're not Foxen's wife, for the record. No, I know.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
Trying
probably.
to, how do I
that'd be
share
kinda
where?
cool
You can just
about
drop
it.
them in like Showcase. You can put them literally wherever though. I could not care less. we're pretty chill in terms of like where you post stuff.
Okay, so if I were to go into... Fuck, I'm back on this grind. I didn't want to do this, but I'm going to do it. Hard instance.
Okay, what am I doing? Are there any more relics I want to make?
Attack.new. Where are we doing attack.new at?
I want to have status effects so bad, but I know that I can't do that myself.
What's... Oh yeah, fuck, I haven't done anything with that.
That's okay.
What do we want to do with the status effects? Exactly. How do we want those to work?
I don't remember exactly what we had figured out.
Okay.
Basically they need to be able to have like stacks. I don't know if we want to have stacks. It might just be like a on or off kind of thing. But we do want to have like custom implementation for what each one does because they'll be very different. So
Okay,
like
and
fire,
imagine
they'll
we're gonna
take
have like
damage.
a generic one that's just like a fire or like...
Yeah, well, like fire, like frozen, but I also want to have the mark be like a status effect as well.
Oh, okay. Interesting. So instead of having the ability that we have now, you just want it to be like a status effect?
Yeah.
Okay.
But drop it like in general chat. I'm afraid of people stealing my stuff and taking credit for it. I wouldn't worry about it too much since it's such a small group of people, and I pretty much know every single person here for the most part.
Really?
But most, if not all active people, like all people that would see it. But if you're not comfortable sharing it there, that's okay.
What is this? Base equipment.
Or you could just send like a
Hey.
little snippet of it or something.
What the fuck?
Is that Cosmic Sandwich Cat? Hello, Cosmic Sandwich
Oh, is
Cat.
there a Cosmic Sandwich Cat? Oh my god, dude.
Biddy
We got
has
the Deadlock
not read
squad
its
on right now.
chat like ever. It's genuinely insane.
No, I'm literally coding the fucking game. Whatever, dude. Whatever, you motherfucker. I hate you. I hate
Meow,
you,
meow, meow.
motherfucker, you
Surreal.
bastard.
What am I doing? I'm just clicking on random lines of code and not doing anything.
Yeah. Cosmic hop on Deadlock. Go Street Brawl.
Street Brawl?
Go Street Brawl. What is this? Oh shit, I'm no bad. I started going through. Oh, Regular.
I mean, I can write down some of this stuff in terms of status
Yeah, write
effects.
down your
So I
status
have
effects and how you want them to work.
okay. So in here,
That'll
I
be
have
very
the possible
important.
ones here. So fire, which will deal damage over time.
From Plasma Ball. That's not a relic. This could be a relic though. No, this is fine. Probably. Fork on ocean type shit.
I'll drop the whole track, which I have my vocals in, but it's Russian. It's Russian? That's crazy.
What's it so? What's
Music.
it in such a
Music
hurry
guy.
for?
Huh?
What's it in such a hurry for?
And no, not like... No,
Because it's
that's not.
rushing.
You're so funny, twin. But, that's fine.
Yeah, I know.
As long as it sounds cool, you know.
Yeah, attack that card. Stance. Console.print. Attack.
Moaz, hop on Deadlock.
Attack that. So if I were to add all cards and spawn in a DPS dummy, is this doing? How is this? What? Else console print. No card. Oh, it's just not printing at all. What the fuck? Oh, because you don't have a health component that's regular. You're not regular. You're so different in default, not behavior. What the fuck? What have been the game dev task for the day? JW broke a bunch of things. I'm fixing.
That's not true.
So JW broke a bunch of things. I'm fixing it. That's not true actually at all. But I added a debug menu thing, and now I'm adding a no card. No
I'm trying
card?
to think. How do I
No card. GD. How are you attack? Oh god, what is this file?
drop the track without vocals?
Oh.
Can I have something? Try to watch it. Check to make sure no one steals it.
Oh no.
Yeah, I can keep an eye on it.
So you need to start putting like spacing in your code. Where is... How are we doing damage? How does this do damage to something?
How does what?
This, Oh wait, I'm not looking at the spray bottle scene. I see. Do you have a hitbox or something on here? You have a hurt box, I see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And
I'm trying to think, how do I make fire, like, mechanically different than poison?
You don't.
Okay.
In a game like this, you don't, because
Yeah.
poison...
Because I was thinking, like, Gungeon has
if
the thing where you, like,
ticks over
dodge,
time, that's, like, annoying.
which is just, like, that's cool, but, yeah. I think, honestly, for this, for the player, I like how Gungeon does it, where, like, it's the bar that fills up, but I think for that, I would not want it to deal damage after, like, it fills up, and then deals 1 damage, and then fills up and deals 1 damage. I don't like the lingering damage after you leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it works with Gungeon, how you're, like, get set on fire, and it's, like, you roll to put it out. That makes sense. But with this, we, like, don't
Yeah,
roll,
we don't have a
since-
dodge roll.
Yeah. So...
You should have a dodge roll. I'm just kidding, I don't want
It would deal damage over
Um,
time to enemies. Fills up on player. Damage on full. Then reset. And then that'll be the same for poison. It's just that it's poison instead of fire, you know?
Go Rivals Vader 2. Okay, so that does that. If owner is correctly attack, dot card instance is equal to owner dot card instance. There we go. That's the play. Yay, attack came from spray bubble. Okay, so why don't you have an attack?
I just realized in
Yay.
Gungeon, there's no enemies that freeze you. Like, you can't get frozen.
Yeah, that makes enough sense.
Trying to think if we want the player to get hit by ice. I feel like it just like slowed them down, but maybe not.
Okay, auto turrets works. De-op works. These are not going to explode and hit the dummy because they are... Okay, there we go, that works. Which one is this? Oh, this is box. Box works. Brick works. Knife works. Hooray. Laser pointer works. Wait, oops. Oh, I'm happy that doesn't crash. A little surprised.
Oh, are you doing the card signal thing, or what are you doing? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, I'm setting up the
Ah, yes, I see.
heart attack thing.
We need to have a status effect that just fills up really slowly, and if it fills up, it just instantly kills you.
Scarlet Rot or whatever.
That's not Scarlet Rot.
What is Scarlet Rot?
It's basically just like an extra strong poison.
Okay. I only know Scarlet Rot because of there was this TikTok of this dude who just had like some hella lesions on his face because he was doing like meth or some shit, and they were like, holy fuck, he's got Scarlet Rot.
That's crazy. Moaz, have you beat Elden Ring?
Moaz voted how many times for Celeste, and you just asked that?
I don't know.
Although it's new. A few things. Sorry, let me...
Yes, you probably have.
Yes, the answer is almost certainly yes. Got a little bit of cleanup stuff for the playtest. Also fix the pathfinding. I'm honestly... Have you fucked around with the pathfinding at all? Actually, no. The pathfinding is better now because you haven't bitched about it. I can tell the pathfinding is better because if it wasn't, I would have gotten a message, Biddy, why is this guy still moving back and forth? Biddy, this guy's fucked up. Biddy, what the hell's going on here? I would have gotten
the DLC.
bitching messages.
Yeah, I'd started the DLC a little bit, and I was like, I did that like right after I beat the game, so I was like, oh, I'm just tired. I think I beat like the dancing lion or whatever, and then I was like, that's enough.
I just have to make sure that none of these say no card. Spray bottle. And the stun block. Oh, can stun blocks not hit enemies?
No, it just blocks.
Okay. Just only.
Maybe we do want it to deal damage too, but
I don't know. That's fine. Okay. Those all have
let's go.
Things. Hooray. The thing that I did, by the way, JW, is you can now pass in card in the constructor function, or you can just assign out the dot card instance field on it.
Okay.
And that works. However, I still need to figure out how I want the signals to work on the cards. Currently, we have a few signals that are being used, and they are off of this, which is not like the worst thing ever, but
by the way, I will be wanting to end stream at like a reasonable time because I have to work in the morning, so somewhat soon.
And you want to play Deadlock before you go to bed?
Yeah.
I'm assuming is the rest of that sentence that you're not saying out loud.
Yeah.
Fun fact of the day, the YouTube homepage is currently broken. Is it? Really?
It's it.
What the fuck? What do you mean? If I go to youtube.com, what does it do? Oh. Yeah. You're right. It is broken. Cool. Nice. Very nice. Very cool. Apparently no one with money can make functional software anymore. Dude, it actually pisses me off so much how bad software is made by people who like actually can fund it. Like, what the fuck do you mean we're letting shareholders make decisions now? Evil. Easy way to counter doom scrolling. I don't know how to tell you this, Cosmic. If someone's doom scrolling, they're not going to the YouTube homepage. They're clicking on the shorts button on the side, and I almost guarantee that still works. Let's find out together. Please don't open up a bad short. Wait. Okay, nope. Hold on. No, the shorts button doesn't work on YouTube. Never mind. We're good. We're saved. Doom scrolling is defeated. Is that why there are people in stream right now? It's because they see they see my stream on the left whenever they go to YouTube to view the homepage, and they're like, well, I'll just check some of the people that are streaming.
Watching shorts on a computer might be like top 10 worst things you can do ever.
It's pretty bad, yeah.
Like,
I only do it whenever someone sends me a short, which thankfully doesn't happen very often.
Yeah.
Dude, has Nasidos ever sent you a fucking Facebook meme?
No, thankfully.
Dude, love him to death, but he sends me this meme, and I'll look at it, and it's a link to a Facebook like reel or whatever the fuck they're called on Facebook. And I'm like, dog, no.
Mega unk.
And like I get it, you know. He has to use like all the different social medias for his own shit.
Maybe I should make a Facebook for Dante's 9.
Yeah, the Mugenics clickbait is working. It's not clickbait. It's Mugenics, but like not Mugenics in the slightest. It's Mugenics if it wasn't turn-based, isometric, if it didn't have strategy, if it wasn't fun.
It does have strategy.
Mugenics if it didn't have strategy.
Okay,
Mugenics if
right.
it wasn't fun. Mugenics if it didn't have a sick-ass art style.
Nah, that's not true.
What? Where's the cat sex then? JW. JW, this is the time that you can soft launch that Twitter account that you were talking about.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Oh, you're not revealing that? Oh, fuck, sorry. I didn't realize you weren't revealing that yet. My bad.
We might have to kill you.
For legal reasons. Disclaimer, that is a joke. He doesn't have a...
Also, Dante is a minor, so... You're the one making it weird.
Okay. Yeah, Dante's a minor, so you don't draw art of Dante. However, if we go in... Oh, shit. Hold on. Sorry. Give me a sec. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds.
No.
Give me 2 seconds. If we go into the game, and we hit pause and we go to system, you can actually change cat skins. So, just saying.
Okay.
Just saying. JW would make hella money enough to fund Dante 9 for sure. Probably. Also, they don't want you to know this. Boy Kisser is in the files. Yeah, he's right here. There's also an object called Boy Kisser that I can put in this level right now. I think it's Rain 2 that I'm in. Yeah. Let me, Boy Kisser. Look at him. There he is in all his glory.
Alright.
What's the button to... There we go. Evil creature. Destroyed. There's also, in Mugenics, there's also a Chris Chan reference. At least one. I don't know if there's more. Oh shit, that's fun. Camera's doing fun stuff whenever I run into the...
6, 7...
thing.
Sorry.
6, 7...
6, 7... Sorry, my bad.
Yeah. Dude, honestly, dude, that's still really satisfying. I know it's, like, not usable
really
or, like, even something that we want to keep in the game, but, like, it's very satisfying to just, like, do that. This is probably a deep lore question. Why is he called Boy Kisser? From what I remember, I think there was this person who drew art, and they were like, here's this cool, funky cat that I made. And then people made memes about it that just made the cat, like, it put, like, captions on it. He's not actually called Boy Kisser. I think the original creator, I don't know what the original creator's intention was.
That's crazy. This guy is stealing art and, like, doesn't know who the artist is.
It's... Okay, dude.
The YouTube homepage says something went wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's broken. Allegedly.
It's fucked up. It's evil. What is Gunder Fury? What the hell is Gunder Fury?
What is Twinithy talking about?
Gunder Fury. Oh, Enter the Gungeon gun. I don't know this one.
Oh, wait, what?
It's a gun that gains experience and levels up with kills up to a maximum of level 60. It experience persists across runs, whether the player dies, restarts, wins, or quits.
I haven't heard of this
one
interesting.
Before.
Hello.
What the hell? So at level 1, level 10, it functions like a shotgun. Level 20, its fire rate increases and fires like an automatic. And then it has a slower fire rate, a higher shot speed with larger bullets, then faster and more accurate than a rapid-fire laser rifle, and then rapidly shoots 2 beams of light. What the fuck? I've never heard of this.
That's kind of sick.
That is sick, but I've never... Oh, it's unlocked by Doug. Okay. I don't...
Doug?
Yeah, I haven't... Doug.
I don't even know who that is.
You don't know Doug? Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Because I didn't know who Doug was, and you told me who Doug was.
Doug? No.
It's the NPC It's the guy who, like, stands on the fucking, like, creature or whatever and sells guns in the breach.
Oh, the guy on the left?
No, on the right.
On the right.
This guy, this thing.
Oh, that's Doug. Okay, yeah, I know Doug.
That's Doug.
Yeah. I know Doug. We love Doug.
Yeah. You've seen Boy Kisser attributed to Mousy Mice? Maybe. Might be. Doug, the animated Nick show from the 90s. Is that the fucking? That's the dog, right? That's got like the. He's got like the target eye thing going on, where one of his eyes has like a ring around it. Does he have like a? I feel like I pictured this dog in my head, but it may not be the dog. Doug show. Nope, that's a different dog. What am I fucking thinking of? I'm thinking of Cat Dog, I think. I'm thinking of Cat Dog as a motherfucker. I don't know why. My mind just like formed a cartoon that was based off of Cat Dog, but was just the dog and called him Doug. That was weird. I don't know if I know really the Doug show. Okay, let me add this thing though. So for card instance, I guess I will just add. I kind of don't want to, but I will for now just add like a signal called like attacked or like hit with a target. Is that right? Is that good? That might be fine. Anyone else notice that YouTube has said, yeah, people have been.
Everybody's just joining the stream apparently. Just to say that YouTube's down.
Yeah, well, because whenever you go to the homepage, I noticed it myself. Is when you open up the homepage, there's like nothing to. Oh shit! Now it's like extra broken for me. What the hell? Oh, it's like super broken now. Never mind.
It's really funny.
Oh no. Okay, there we go. So if I'm on the homepage, the only like thing that I can see on the entire homepage is that I have 3 people that I'm subscribed to that are live.
That's really funny.
Are you doing Ocarina of Time randomizers right now? Is that what's going on? You're doing Banjo-Kazooie mod? What the fuck?
Banjo-Kazooie. Love Banjo-Kazooie.
What the hell? I also didn't know this guy still made videos, but or still did anything.
That's crazy.
So if we have a card that we can hit, or if we hit something with a card, that's great. So where do I emit this? Why is Biddy subscribed to himself? Because I have a personal YouTube channel where I just like watch shit that isn't game dev related. That's like the one that I've had since I was a kid, which is why I'm subscribed to a Minecraft YouTuber from like 15 years ago. Which is a crazy number to have to say. So I want this, I guess, be in the health component. JW.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, JW.
Yeah. I'm here.
Well, you just didn't say anything whenever I said JW.
I did. I did, but because
okay. So for the card, whenever we emit the card has hit something, do we want this to be after the units, like damage events have been fired or before?
I have no clue, to be honest.
Do you even know the question I'm asking?
No.
Okay. So player shoots a bullet at enemy. When the bullet hits, it grabs like the source or like the event router, and then it fires off like the damage dealt event or the damage received event.
Yeah.
So that like anything that cares about those events can modify the attack if they need to. So our current flow is something gets damaged, it emits the event to the damage dealer's events, so it can be modified there, and then it's dealt like it emits it to the damage receiver's events. It's like the enemy. Where do we want to slot the card into? We can put it at the end after the enemy has done things. Like if the enemy has something that like reduces damage, we can do it before the players like things increase or decrease the damage, or we can do it just at the end.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Attack dot card instance. Attack dot card instance dot hit dot commit. Which would actually be, I need the attack. I can pass in attack and target. Sure. Attack, which is going to be an attack object, and target's going to be a node. Cool. And then I honestly think that's probably everything you need. Or instead of hit, I'll do damage dealt again, because that makes it more consistent with the the players' events and the enemy events as well. So per instance, that damage dealt. The only thing that would be a little weird with this is maybe something like the brick could cause multiple triggers. Hello, Louise. How's it going?
The shotgun also potentially.
Yes, it does.
Because I did notice that with the. I mean, I think it is fine for each projectile to trigger a separate one. I mean, it's kind of fun. Like, as long as it doesn't break.
Sure. You haven't pushed up your lightning changes, have you?
No, I can if you want. I'm just working on art right now.
Because I can make the change.
I mean, I think everything was working. Yeah, because I had the new relic, but it works. Yeah.
Is there a glass cannon weapon? There's not a glass cannon weapon. There is a relic that increases your damage and increases the damage.
We could have a like a gun that does like 1 billion damage and pierces, but like you take 1 damage when you use it. Unlimited charges, but if you take damage, you take 1 extra heart in the gun. Wait, that's actually a really cool idea.
That is pretty cool. Write that down. It's going in that. Where the fuck does it?
I don't know if it would break, but we could have it like exhaust, so like it would disappear for that room.
We could just make it disappear in general.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I think maybe making it break probably better. It would go in a weapon card, but yeah. Oh, that is a weapon card. Never mind, I'm stupid.
Unlimited ammo or charges. What breaks when you take damage and causes to take extra damage. Sick. Did you push up your changes?
Yep.
Okay, sick. So hello, Radiant. How's it going? Did you do a code review one day on the beta that was released? What beta? For Godot? Dude, how much shit is broken right now? Maybe that's why my Visual Studio Code was doing weird shit earlier. It shouldn't have been, but git fetch. Git pull. We're using the command line, bitch. What's the change? Oh, you pushed up your change to the fucking indicators as well.
Oh, silly.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll just revert the file on my end, I guess. And then what else is here? Cards.md was also edited. That's so fine. But I guess not. Cards.md. And that's because of the thing that I just added, right? Yeah, cool. Sure. Alright, bullet changes. Bullet. Built with agent. How is that a thing? There's a way to disable. I'll be honest, I kind of tuned this panel out. I hella tuned this out. Is there a way to chat settings? Can I like kill this?
Wait, this looks kind of sick. I made a new card design. It's like an infinite ammo.
Yeah, it might be. Show view by default. Yeah, I get the fucking thing here. I wish there was a way to. I'm sure that there is. Can I just like disable AI? Wish. Shit pisses me off. I hate AI so much, man.
True.
Genuinely. Ugh. Is there?
I can't wait till we can replace
I did get rid of
AI art in the game with real art.
What'd you say, sorry?
I said I can't wait till we can replace all the AI art in the game with real art.
Alright, buddy.
I'm joking.
There's also
there's no AI in
there's
the game.
usually
It's a joke.
a thing down here, I think, for Copilot that I got rid of as well because it's stupid. But yeah, no, the fucking thing that came up. Built with agent. Bleh. Had the disable button right there.
6,
Probably.
7.
I'm changing this. I'm so sorry. And I'm not sorry, actually. You use the word not, and it pisses me off.
That's crazy.
It's evil is what it is. You're evil for that. What does go live mean in VS Code? I believe it's a live web server. Yes. So if I have like I'm fairly certain this is for live. I think it's called live server, the extension. If I had like an HTML file, it would open up a live web server that auto reloads. Yeah. It's very cool. I also have a markdown reader in here, so that's cool. How hard is GDScript? What do you mean how hard is GDScript? You know how hard GDScript isn't. What am I checking on? What am I doing, JW? What am I doing here?
You're publishing an update to the
Testing
playtest.
cards. I'm not publishing an update to the playtest. I'm checking the sticker that you added. No, Twin, I'm not.
Arr.
What's the sticker called? Lightning jar?
Lightning jar.
Yeah. Oh shit, dude, look at that. Those are lightnings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and some of those are coming from no card, which is fine because those weren't actually assigned.
Yeah,
okay.
So we can just assign them into the card. Yeah,
that's fun. Sometimes it like procs hella, and then sometimes it doesn't. I wonder, did you make it so that it's like? Oh, I guess never mind. You didn't add the thing where it can't like arc back to the same enemy, did you?
No, that's something that I wanted to figure out how to do. Bot test level. Okay. That's literally the inspiration for this. Oh, also another bug that I just saw. That very nice. That I forgot to mention is that it doesn't proc the things if you are shooting it from close range and the projectile doesn't actually shoot out. So there's something wrong with however you are doing the shooting.
What?
I can show you if you
Oh wait, I think I know what you said. I know what. Yeah. Okay. Let me look at this. So if I go.
Yeah. Let me see if you do it right.
You're talking about this. So if I have a dummy here, and if I add lightning jar, it should be on there. You're talking about if it's like here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that doesn't trigger it.
Ever?
Nope, never.
That's...
Yep, I don't know why. I'm guessing it's maybe not setting the source if it's hitting that.
It would be printing out that it doesn't have a source.
Okay.
Console.print attack. Yeah, okay. What's your global position, buddy? Okay, so yeah, I hear the sound. What the fuck do you mean? Why does it not?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering.
There's no errors. Okay, let me take a look at this then. Base projectile. It calls hit hitbox, which is this thing. On area entered. Calls hit default attack, which creates the attack and then does the shit. Create attack has the card. Correct. So what could be? What could be the difference between then and not then? Okay, let's go to the lightning. Which one of this? Which one is the? Hold on. What the fuck is? What actually is this doing? Console.print on Lightning.
Chat, can we rewrite Godot in Rust? I think that sounds like a terrible idea. But maybe you're right. Maybe I just don't see the vision. It's a lot harder than it seems. It seems like it would be pretty hard to me, but I've never used Rust, so how would I know? Rust is basically like GDScript, right? It's pretty much the same.
Yeah, they're like basically the exact same thing.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna see if I can make a new card before my Counter-Strike weeklies are ready.
I see what's happening. It hasn't refreshed the... Actually, we're doing some shit in here. Why is this? Okay, we're making it wait 2 frames. I'm just kind of curious what this does and why. Okay, yeah, so it needs to wait 2 frames, which I'm not going to do. I would rather do other things.
Yeah.
Like more specifically, I'd like to probably use a shape pass rather than rely on the overlapping areas. Unless, is there a way to... Can I flush an area in Godot? Force update transform. I don't believe that does the thing that I need. I don't believe so. Is that testable? It's deadlock.
Rocket
This
launcher,
is
except it's a
testable,
cat
deadlock,
launcher
yes.
when? What cat are you gonna be shooting though? Like, are you just shooting random cats out of it?
Also, why did the game crash earlier? What made the game crash?
What do you mean? On my end or your end?
When I was shooting them like a second ago, like it just crashed the game, and I don't.
Oh, I think it was just because
frozen
there's so
crash.
many of them.
Okay. I see.
Because I think it gets to a point where if there's enough of the arts, it ends up adding enough attacks that even the very small % chance, because of how many attacks there are, it like exponentially increases.
I see. Yeah. Okay.
Because
That's
for
fine,
each
I'll just,
attack that shoots out and hits something, it spawns a new one that checks for those like 8 enemies again or whatever. So I would, now that I think about it, I think if there's over, I would guess if there's over 10 enemies, it would break, since it's a 10% chance. So right now you have what, 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Oh, that's what you're fucking doing? Wait. Hold on.
Hmm?
Oh my god, you are.
What?
For every
Yeah.
enemy in the area, you're a 10% chance of zapping, not there's a 10% chance to zap another enemy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I see. I understand
Yeah.
what's going on there. That's insane.
Okay, it's fun.
Holy. Yeah, no, there's definitely some like limitation things that need to be added to this, which is okay. Because he was mainly just doing this as like just a quick thing because it is fun. But you know, ideally I wouldn't want this to just roll a random chance on every hitbox in the area because that's not particularly great. I would much rather it roll a chance and then pick a random hitbox rather than roll per hitbox. Yeah. Also, sorry, what is Radiant saying?
Words.
Rewrite Godot and Rust. Have you centered around? I don't know why you should try to rewrite Godot and Rust. You should just
You should use Godot.
Well, or you can just use Rust.
Or that.
Heavy is centered around a single structuring world with access. Yeah. Also, Q redraw is not what I need. I need to force a physics tick update, which I can do. I just was hoping that it would be easy to just immediately do it. I can just do a shape cast. That's not a huge deal. I kind of want to think about what this would do differently because I don't like that this is just random chancing for use. And then also I need this to do this. So if we are not connected to damage dealt, to connect to this, we actually want to do not events, and you're also not using player.player. Oh, can you do me a favor, JW? Whenever,
yeah.
Instead of, I know this is stupid, and it probably gonna piss you off a little bit.
Oh, I know what you're about to say.
When you're doing player.player inside of like a card thing, you can do card instance dot user.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna say that.
I'm just saying, like,
you're evil.
No, I'm not evil. It's because at some point we are probably going to have a boss that can use cards, and if we can have it just like use cards without having to go through and update every single usage of player.player.
Yeah, you're right.
I know I am. Also, I'm not doing this. Also, you don't need to save events inside the class. But
okay.
Just because it was only used in this context.
Yeah, it took me like 20 minutes just to figure out where the events were, because I was like trying to look for like a global thing, but I forgot that it's like a class that gets
per unit.
Yeah. But
I'm actually a huge fan of. Huge fan of it. So this would just be if not, okay. So this thing here. Why am I like, dude? I'm editing code in such a weird way right now. What the fuck? Is connected. Look, guys, he is connected. Okay, we'll spawn that in, and then you can put that there. And I think that. Oops, I need to restart the game. So, if you're an artist, is it okay to use an LLM to help with the coding part? You don't know how reliable it is. It's not your discipline. If you want to learn how to code, I would recommend not using the LLM to learn. The most I would ever be like, the most I've ever been like, yeah, I guess you could use it for this is like, if you don't know the correct terms, you can ask it what would be a different way to say this that would be more likely to get you results on like Google. That's typically what I'm like. I wouldn't recommend using it to learn because it can lie to you. And unfortunately, whenever it lies, it doesn't say, I may be wrong on this. It says with utmost certainty, here's the truth. And you kind of just have to assume that it's telling the truth, even though it probably isn't. Also, we are working on some Polish-ish things for a playtest update. Because we would like to update the playtest soon. Does this work? PIC. Ah, shit. I don't think this is... Oh, I'm stupid. I'm so stupid for doing this. I don't know why I did this. I don't know why I made the health component for the dummy and the health component for everything else different. But I'm weird and bizarre for that. Also, this should be... Or just get rid of... Yeah, you should be down here at the end.
Makeshift cannon when? I don't know what that is either, Twin.
Okay, so this does a lightning arc whenever it's just this card, and then it doesn't do that whenever it's any other card. Hooray! So if I were to redeal the cards to my hand, CP right here. I put the game in slow motion so I can make this easy on myself. A different card. Please, any of those proc. Yay! It procced lightning on the shot that came from the SMG. Hooray. Okay, that works, JW. Did you hear what happened?
No,
or?
I didn't.
Okay. The lightning only comes from the card that has the lightning effect.
Okay. This could be evil. Is there something? I want to make a card that gives you infinite charges. Can I just turn on the debug infinite charges on and off?
No, you cannot.
Okay. Cool. That's what I was planning on doing.
Yeah. No, that's so bad.
I mean, I don't see why that wouldn't work.
I mean, it would work, but I don't like it because it's hacky. Especially whenever we're like testing things, if we turn on infinite charges, or if it breaks, or like if there's ever a time that's like you like leave the level, or like it introduces like a time that you could like have that go over the.
Yeah, I mean, it kills itself when it ends the room, so.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, you don't have to do. It's a card ability, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think the way I had this set up, I believe, is you should have just a function which is called should free on end, and you can return true if you wanted to do that. And then just that takes care of the room ended thing.
What if I wanted, never mind, I can just have on tree exiting if I wanted to do something.
Yeah. Let me think for a moment. What was I? Oh yeah, you wanted to ask about infinite charges. How would we do infinite charges? So charges are affected where? Minus. I'm sure that it's like you're doing a subtraction there, which is annoying. I shouldn't have done that, but whatever.
But there's the debug thing there.
Yeah, I see that. He's like, dude, look, we can just use that. I mean, you can turn that on for now if you want, and I can go through and add something better for it, but ideally I would want it to be something else elsewhere. Probably like a modifier property, or a modifier or a property on the card that is like infinite, whatever. I actually also want to at some point maybe affect the property system. You haven't made any properties, have you?
I don't think so.
Or no, you made duration, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and I think at some point I would like to maybe change these properties to not be base property, but instead have like an int property and a float property, or anything like that. Although I don't know. Maybe
I don't know either.
Bracky's Game Jam started 3 days ago, and you don't even know what to work on. That's so fucking real. Let me look at what's the theme?
I think it's like Fortnite or something. Maybe it's 6-7.
Oh, okay. The winning theme is Fortnite? Okay, that's crazy.
That's crazy, I was right. I mean, Fortnite is a strange place.
Strange places. No AI generated content. Paste. Strange places. I don't know how I feel about that theme.
You should make like a
cat trapped in hell where it's raining.
Yeah. You should make one of those games where it's like just a bunch of like big concrete blocks everywhere and you just like hop around.
Mirror's Edge?
Yeah. But to make it like spookier. It's almost Counter-Strike time, by the way.
Yeah, nice. Okay, let me complete one more thing on my list.
List on my card.
Oh yeah, I want to add this. I'm actually going to add this as fuck. I needed to add this, and I am a little upset that I haven't added this before. I also would like to split up this file.
We also need to push an update to the playtest.
To split this file. Have I seen on the Gungeon speedruns, by the way? Yeah, no, I love the op synergy where you can like spin around like 800 times and then you can shoot and one-shot everything. Also, JW doesn't know what Mirror's Edge is.
Yeah, I do.
JW didn't have a period in his like teenage years where he played Mirror's Edge on like his shitty laptop and like didn't speedrun it, but like kind of speedran it, you know.
Mirror's Edge is cool.
Mirror's Edge is really fucking cool, yeah. Okay, I wanted to do a function that was an automatic, like, connect to this function if the signal isn't already connected, because there's a lot of places where we're doing like right here where we're doing like if this signal isn't connected to this function, connected to this function, and I hate having to write that, so I'm gonna make a util function for like a connection for the signal.
Oh, I just realized it's really funny. It turns on infinite charges before it actually activates the card. So you just have infinite charges and it doesn't go away.
Nice. Yeah.
Is YouTube down? Yes, YouTube is. Or the homepage is down.
Sorry. Yeah, I did just look over. Is YouTube down? Yeah. No more
You're
YouTube.
like
No, the homepage is fucked up though.
Yeah.
The homepage is really fucked up. No, it's just, is YouTube down? Asked in YouTube chat is really funny. Let's see. So I want this mainly to be a...
There's no more YouTube.
Pass in a signaling, pass in a...
True.
I wish the word signal wasn't reserved, but I guess that makes enough sense. Not that I will wish it wasn't reserved, but like...
Okay, there we go. I got it to work. I just await card got activated. So now theoretically, if you have an infinite source of mana, you can just spam Salmon Storm if you have this card. Oh, the delay on Salmon Storm is like really short. I thought it was like a second. Why is it so fast?
Congratulations, I added a piece of code.
Oh, I see. It has no activate delay.
Nice.
Very nice.
Kind of fire.
Pretty much, I'm gonna set it to like a second. Pretty much any card that just has like one use, I just set it to like 1 second by default, so it's like you can't spam it if you have like a million charges.
Okay. I'm actually really, I think that is good. Like if I were to go util dot connect signal from card dot or card instance dot to the on hit function. That should just work. Hopefully. And if not, meh, sucks, I guess.
Yeah.
So if I add this, and then add stickered card, lightning jar, lightning jar, lightning jar.
Well, hey, look at that. I did
errors, but if I were to
add a new card in less than a half an hour.
Which one you add?
The infinite charges. Yeah.
Does it still?
I really like the art for it too. Yeah, it's the debug.
Did you fix the thing where it? Oh no, you didn't.
The what?
The thing where it has the infinite charges before it actually.
Yes, I did do that. I just wait card instance dot activated and it just works. So.
Okay, I see.
Isaac Blood Oath when. You need to just like join my Discord and write down all of these ideas because I won't remember them. But I would like to add lots of cards and cool things like this, like that. I had an idea for something like the op and I don't remember what it was. Like the 360 thing. Like, I don't remember if it was like, it was something related to that, where, like, if you did a... No, I don't remember what it was. We do need to add a bat at some point soon.
That's true.
Like the
animal or like the
thing that you like seeing,
like
you know?
weapon?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, I forgot the fire wizard enemy was Boy Kisser. Oops, got jump scared. What happened with YouTube? They said no more YouTube ever. Oh, this is gonna crash the game, isn't it? Right? Why is it only... Wait, what? Hold on. How many of you are there? Console.print. It adds a fuck ton. But I guess it only procs for one of them or something? Or is it because of like... Oh, it... What? Wait, I'm like fucked up and evil. How does... What?
Huh? But...
Why is this not connected? Wait, I actually don't know. I don't know how this isn't connected. If not, card instance dot damage dealt dot is connected to on hit instance dot damage dealt dot connect on hit. Does this... Okay, maybe it's an issue with the useFill function, or maybe it's just like a thing that... Oh no, I guess so. I'm kind of surprised by that. The on hit function, even though there's a bunch of stickers on it, it only triggers one use of it, which is a little...
No, it makes sense because it's only connecting the signal ones, assuming it's doing the same thing.
But there's like 80 stickers on it.
Yeah.
It's re-triggering this.
Is it?
Yeah, like if I apply another sticker really quickly.
But it's
like
checking to see if it's checking to see if it's connected, and if it's already connected, it doesn't.
Yeah, but these should be different instances, I would think.
No.
Oh no, this is not an instance. This is the fucking sticker class.
Yeah.
I see. That's... Oh, there's like some weird shit going on here then.
I mean, we could just make it an instance. I don't know how the stickers work.
No,
I just copied like what you're doing with the other stickers and assumed that's
yeah, that's fine. I'm just like thinking about this. I'm like, I
mean, we could just store like a sticker count or like a level or whatever on there and just be like...
Oh, actually,
Mm-hmm.
This is a problem. This should not be here. So I shouldn't know about card instance. At least not in that way. Meow. Because that would have... Because this is the resource, right? Yeah, this is the resource. You shouldn't know about that. Let me think about this for a moment, because this is a funky one, kind of ish. Not really, but...
Okay, well, I'm gonna go play Counter-Strike.
Hold on. Not yet. You're not going anywhere yet. I want to say that it would be something like... util dot connect signal. I think I can actually use this for here. I can do card instance dot damage dealt. Connect this to on hit dot bind card instance. So I'm also including the current card instance in here, which needs to be this thing, card instance, so that if there's an on hit somehow that isn't connected to that. That's a little funky, but we'll see. Now if I apply an upgrade, this might actually make it go like crazy mode. Maybe not. Oh shit. I didn't expect it. Let me restart the game. YouTube season 1 is over. Season 2 starts in 2027. What the fuck?
What?
Wait, 2027 winter? That's enough time for maybe I might upload a video between now and then. I don't know though. That might be like a little too soon. Casey. Oh, the bat. You were talking about the bat, I think. Yeah. Playing bounce to scale with sticker count. I'm down for that. Probably. Add sticker to card. I need you to actually highlight the AK. You can start working on your Go projects. I'm glad that my state machine thing helps people still. It's actually an old video, and it's still shocking that people use that shit, but it's useful apparently. Okay, so that triggers hit thing once. If I now do like 5 lightning jars, does that... It doesn't. What? Oh, because that binds in the card instance, not the sticker instance, which is probably fine. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. Yeah. And then now if I were to do like card instance dot get, I thought I was doing a thing. Did I not have a card util? Is that where I'm getting the sticker count? Ah, it is. Shit. Card instance.gd. God, this file's gonna get so much longer over time, but get, what would this be called? Like get sticker count, which would turn out an int and would take in a sticker art sticker class. I think. Maybe. Oh no, it would be this thing. It would be a GD script object. Or sticker and stickers if sticker dot class. Is that what you're doing? Modifier if it has, if modifier type instance has. Yes, that. Sure. I'm copying this function, I think, potentially. Maybe not. Maybe I will. This does like the exact same thing that I need, but for a different thing. Does that work? Nope.
No.
Why? Why no worky? What the hell? Oh. Because it's the sticker off of this. I see. Oops. So it'd be sticker instance. And the sticker is the actual thing off of this. Yeah, there we go. There's a way to get the amount of lightnings on a thing. So if I have this, there's no lightnings on this guy. If I add 1, that says 2. Something's wrong. Okay, there we go. I found it. And then if I add 2 more, so that should be 3. Hooray! Cool. Okay. So we can get the amount of stickers on the card of a type. All right.
6, 7.
And now I can, yeah, you can be free. I can.
Yay!
In stream, and you can go play Counter Strike, and I can go play Mugenics or
Yay!
Deadlock.
Yay! Yay!
Anyways, good night, everybody. We'll be back on Thursday at 6:30.
Is that the whole thing? Is that everything?
Yeah, that's everything.
That's crazy. Thank you guys for hanging out. We will catch you back later on Thursday.